All right, you ready? You ready? VZU L98, built by Steve Tonk, the legend, with all axle co bits. So walk this way cam, Aeroflow high ram, first one for the walk this way. So we can't wait to get some data. Full Howtech ECU system running this thing, so nothing but the best. This is going to Red Centre Nat, so watch out for her. Let's see how she goes. All right, I've told people again and again and again, you can see videos on YouTube from a heap of workshops. With the smaller cams, the tunnel ram does not work. Now, my walk this way is a brilliant cam. We sell tons. There's at least 5 to 6 packages going out per month from us. We're only small, but we've really spent some time developing that cam for street vehicles. The tunnel ramp doesn't work with the walk this way. How many times I've got to say it? 261 at the wheels for a built L98 that should have been doing 320 with a standard intake manifold. It looks cool. I love it. Aeroflow do some really good stuff. It just needs a bigger cam.